Hi guys, my name is Kashika. Welcome to my channel fashmakestyle. And if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Kashika. I make videos related to market tours, hauls, online shopping hauls, various kind of DIYs, beauty, fashion, and whatnot. So if you have still not hit that subscribe button, please do it. So good news for all you guys is Sarojini Nagar market has finally a proper metro station, direct connectivity to the market, and direct means like just 20 steps away. Like just when you step out of the station, just have to cross the road, and here is the market. So that's like a good news for you all. It can save you a lot of bucks because earlier we used to get down at INA, take auto rickshaws and whatnot. So I've already made a market tour about Sarojini Nagar market, like what to buy, what are the kind of things available in the market, the price, how to be careful while shopping clothes, how to check the quality and everything about it. So make sure you watch that video after this one, obviously. So I will link it down below in the description box and after this video also. So right now the current fashion trend in Sarojini Nagar is like summer hot fashion, all kinds of culottes, plazos, cotton based, kurtis, boho, fashion, everything. And I was so happy this time that the clothes and the variety is huge and beautiful, and the rates are like normal. They are almost the same. Like I bought these kind of plazos 2 years back, they were 250, and currently also they are like 250. So some things in Sarojini Nagar are like permanently priced. So that is it. I won't speak much this time because I've already introduced everything about this market in my older video. So currently just enjoy this market too right now.